Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it.
So today is my birthday and I wanted to try something I haven't done yet. I got this vase at the Goodwill. It was filled with seashells, which I will use for something else, I'm sure. I am cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to put it on a cup in the center of this tray mold. I have my resin already mixed up. I have mixed in some eye candy blue blood, some eye candy gray, and some Nick Pro white mica powders. I am just going to go back and forth over the bottom of the vase so it will drip down and run down the vase and into the tray mold. So I'm hoping to get a 2-for-1 project here. I absolutely love the blue blood color and I like using it whenever possible. And blue goes with my decor, so I thought that would be good. Now I'm not sure if you are supposed to do a clear coat first, maybe of resin on the vase to help it flow down, or maybe it's just the style of vase because it kind of curves in and then bumps back out at the bottom, like a normal vase does. But it was having trouble flowing when it curves in to the neck of that vase. So maybe I should have coated it with a clear first so it would run better, but I don't really know. So I'm going to take my finger and just drag it down and try to get into where the resin isn't flowing. And maybe that will just help it flow over those spots better. This seems to be helping it flow to those places, so I think it was a good idea. Oh no, it could be a disaster. We'll find out. I am just going to continue going back and forth with my colors. I don't know how much this tray mold holds, so it looks like I will need to make up some more resin and then continue pouring. Try to get every last drop out of here first. Scrape my cups. And it appears... I wonder if my vase is crooked. It appears to be going off to one side. This is not what I had planned. But the color in the tray is merging beautifully. I love the way that looks. The resin doesn't seem to be sticking to the side of the vase. I think we have issues. Alright, so I have some more resin mixed up. I've mixed up the same colors. Again, you get a little bit better angle here. I turned my tray because it is going to one side. I was level. I think somehow I got off level. Birthday problems. On the bright side though, I really love how that is merging on that tray. Those colors are beautiful together. Now if it would just stay on the vase, that would be fantastic. It is just running right down. There is like zero coverage on this vase. It's completely see-through. Once that goes down, it's gone. It doesn't stick at all. I wonder if the resin should have been thicker? Anybody know what I'm doing wrong? Because I sure don't. Alright, I'm going to take this vase out of here. You can probably see there, it's just got the slightest little film of coloring on it. There is no color whatsoever except on the bottom. And there was no way to get that off there. I put my fingers in it. But it's okay. It's okay. It'll work. I'm going to take my cup out of the center and let that merge towards the middle. And it is very lopsided. Just going to go around the rim of my cup here. Get that resin off of there. Don't want to waste any of those beautiful colors. I still need more resin. I have made up so much resin for this. This must hold a lot. Let me see. 16, maybe. Oh, I don't remember how much I made up on this one. I think I might have made 18 ounces so far, and it's still not full. So this holds a lot of resin. Alright, I'm taking my little bit of resin that I have here, and I am just drizzling it. I'm going to let it drizzle off of my stir stick too, just so I don't want it a big blob of it somewhere. I want it still to be streaky and marbly, I guess. And that way it'll blend together a little bit better. So I'm just going to continue to do that with my white, my gray, my blue blood. But I don't think this is going to work as a tray. It is, I don't know. It's taking an awful lot of resin, and no matter what I'm doing, I can't move it now. And no matter what I'm doing, it's not level. How did I get unlevel? Alright, I'm gonna change plan here. I'm gonna finish pouring this, and this is no longer going to be a tray. All I wanted was a birthday tray and matching vase. Is that too much to ask? Didn't think so. Alright, but if anybody knows why this is not sticking to my vase, why it did not stick to my vase, I would love to hear in the comments, because I'm baffled why it didn't stick to the vase. Was I supposed to sandpaper the vase first or something to make it stickier? I don't know. Somebody knows out there. Somebody help me. I am going to just finish off the little bit of resin I have. And like I said, it will no longer be a tray. We're going to plan B. Plan B for birthday. Alright, all done with that. Spray it with alcohol and come back to a very soft, barely formed tray. I am testing to see, okay, it's coming off. It's very sticky still. I have my gloves on so my hands don't stick to it. I'm going to just go around, unmold it. I don't know if you could see how soft it is, but it is very soft. I actually tested it a few times, and it took longer than I thought it would. I think it sat for like 6 hours, and it's still this soft. You could see it pulls sometimes with the side of it, so it's stretching a little bit. But I'm being very careful. Most of it is coming off with no problem. I'm going to spin it around and get this out of there. I have a bowl sitting next to me. I don't know if it's the right size bowl or not, but I'm going to just take this out and put it in the bowl, and hopefully this will work as now a resin bowl. That wasn't my original plan. I had some pretty handles to go on this. I had some little feet to go on this. It was going to be a beautiful tray for my table. But now we're going to just make it a beautiful bowl for my table. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. We're going to make it work, because I do not have a plan C. Alright, let's get this the rest of the way out. I love the color on this. It is so pretty. Love how this merges. You can probably tell how bendy it is just by how much it's like forming around my hand while I'm holding it underneath. So it is super bendy. I'm going to use this top side. I like the top side better. I like the little thing that's kind of in the center there. Alright, so I'm just going to take an old bowl that hopefully is a good size to fit this. And yeah, it should work. My issue is this one side is so thick. I want to try to get the scallops around the outside, bend it in, pull it in a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to because this one side is so thick. It's having trouble going down. The other side is thinner and very flexible still. I need to make sure I have it centered so I don't have a lopsided bowl. I'm going to try to curve it a little bit. See how thick it is on that side? I'm trying to squish it and make it thinner, but that's not working. Oh gosh. Alright, well, let's see what happens, I guess. All we can do is go with it and hope for the best. I'm going to have to put something in here and weight it down. I want to try to get those scallops, though. Let me see if I can bend. See, that's what I want, but it's just flexing back and not staying, especially in the thicker section. There is just no give in that section. It goes right back. Alright, I guess I'll just try to press it out. But in the thin spot, it won't press flat. Oh my goodness. Alright, take it out. Start over. Maybe try to get it higher up in the bowl to make it less folded over. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have just went to the store and bought a bowl. No, think positively. It'll be beautiful because it'll be one of a kind. We can do this. I got this. Maybe I should throw in a disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Don't do what I do. Learn from my mistakes. Alright, well, it is sat overnight. It popped right out of the bowl without an issue. It doesn't look bad, but it's just not what I had anticipated. It's okay. I like it. It's okay. I'll probably try it again, but I'll make sure it's very thin. Oh yeah. You have to see this. You have to see how this vase came out. In the big scheme of things, the vase is worse than the bowl. The bowl is a masterpiece compared to the vase. There is nothing on this vase. It has just a little skim coat. There is no color. Where'd the color go? And now I have to try to get all this off of here. I probably should have left it on the cup while it was sitting on this smaller tray. That way it would have just dripped right down. It doesn't matter. This vase was a fail. I'll get all that off of there and maybe try to start over and do something else with this vase. Thanks for coming with me on this birthday journey. Bad tray turned semi-good bowl and terrible vase. Here are a few final photos for you. Thanks for watching.